Welcome to blockfunding.net, a membership residual donation system, a platform whereby 100% working for everyone. Blockfunding.net, it is a personalized, decentralized Tron blockchain technology. It is a Tron smart contract project. It is a donation-based crowdfunding model. For your information, donation-based crowdfunding is a multi-billion-dollar platform, the new era of fundraising using blockchain technology. The word blockfunding.net is an understanding word from blockchain, crowdfunding, network. It is a global online automated fundraising platform. Anyone, anywhere, anytime, either individual person, business people, or people from organization, corporation, foundation can use this platform as a fundraising platform. Blockfunding.net, it is $365 subscription-based crowdfunding platform. $365 for 365 days. That means $1 a day to set up your own blockchain crowdfunding system. In blockfunding.net, we have 4 membership options in the same network, 3. Either $365, $180, $90, or as low as $30 for you to kickstart the momentum move in blockfunding.net. Each membership options, either $30, $90, $180, or $365, will give you a permanent position in the smart contract of blockfunding.net for you to receive donation from the community of blockfunding.net based on leverage and also compounding effect. It is a decentralized blockchain technology, no middleman, no company. So therefore, you receive all the donation directly into your personal private digital Tron wallet. It is a crypto asset platform. A lot of people miss the opportunity on Bitcoin, on Ethereum. So now we are in Tron. So based on the prediction done by the crypto expert, by 2025, one Tron coin can go up to $10. Remember, you join the membership in blockfunding.net by US dollar. And all the donation you receive also in US dollar. But it is a crypto platform. So while the price of the Tron very low, you can take the opportunity for you to accumulate huge number of Tron, especially by using the mechanics of family block system, which I will elaborate in detail towards the end of this presentation. So each donation membership option, either $30, $90, $180, or $365, will give you a permanent position in the smart contract of blockfunding.net. You can use your Tron wallet invite link to invite all your friends in this movement. And all the arrangement done here automatically, up to down, left to right. So if anyone brought more than 3 people, you can see a great impact or spillover in this movement of blockfunding.net structure. Hi friends, for your information, that all the blockfunding membership options, either $30, $90, $180, or $365 will trigger into a donation in the community immediately. 25% of the membership goes as a referral donation. 50% of that goes as a 3x10 generation metric donation. 23% of that goes as a reward donation. So therefore, 98% are given away to the community. 2% goes as a maintenance fee. So allow me to go in more detailed understanding. Number 1, 25%, no matter whatever membership options, either $30 to $365, goes as a referral donation on the real-time basis directly into your Tron wallet. Doesn't matter whatever position of your membership, you can be in $30 membership, but you brought someone on this particular movement, on $365. So you're entitled to get 25% of $365. So therefore, it's based on a personal effort. You invite unlimited directs, no matter whatever directs that you brought in based on this membership option. Remember, 25% of that is your referral donation, and you collect that directly in the real-time basis. The second one is called a teamwork 3x10 force metric system. 50% of that goes as a metric donation. Remember, it's a teamwork, and then we have 4 membership options. Doesn't matter whatever membership option, 50% trigger immediately, instantly in the structure. So we all work together, help together, build together, and transform together on this, what you call the 50% metric donation, which is 3x10 force metric system. So in order for you to gain a maximum of 50% up to 10 generation level here, the only condition, your active membership position in blockfunding.net. That's all. If you are active, you are entitled to get all the 10 generation of this metric donation. Remember, it is called an interaction between wallet to wallet in the smart contract. Your wallet connected 10 level up. At the same time, your wallet connected 10 level down. So when your wallet connected to 10 level up, it's only 10 wallet interaction. But when your wallet connected 10 level down, the interaction will be based on 3x10 force metric system. 88,572 wallets are ready to interact with you. It's not number of people, number of wallets. So great opportunity. So it's how wallet to wallet are connected in the smart contract. You must understand it's not number of people, number of wallet. So it can give you a great acceleration on the team building process for you. And it's a decentralized movement. So very secure with zero risk. No one can close the account. No one can stop the payment. The moment you are active, the moment you pay $1 a day, you are the owner of the platform. So the 50% of the membership donation goes in the 3x10 force metric system with level 1, 10%, level 2, 5%, level 3, 5%, up to 10 generation. You see a maximum 50% on the membership donation. Doesn't matter whatever membership, either $30, $90, $180, $365, it trigger in the same network. Like what I told you earlier, the only condition for you to gain 50% up to 10 generation is your active membership position in blockfunding.net. That's all. So this is an example. You came in this particular project, you activated $30 membership for 30 days. And you use your invite link, Tron invite link, to invite 3 people the same direction like you. $30, 30 days. You activated $30. The moment you invite 3 people, remember 25% of that become a referral donation for you. And it's called level 1, again another 10%. So therefore, a cumulative donation on level 1, $31.50. What do you mean by this? It means zero capital platform. You activated $30. You brought 3 directs under you. You collected $31.50. So you got back your membership immediately, instantly. Again, I repeat, it's what we call zero capital platform. If you teach this to your teammates, if all your teammates understand these mechanics and undergo a duplication process for you up to 10 generation, unbelievable. 170,000 plus. Based on the example of $30 activation only. $170,000 plus every month. Imagine a 10% success rate of this is enough for you to continue a wonderful, colorful journey of your life. Hi, friends. In this particular movement, we have 4 membership options: 30, 90, 180, $365. You identify a target market, so a great opportunity for you to receive up to $2 million based on the 50% of the 3x10 matrix. So number 3 is what we call the 23% of community reward donations. Remember, 23% here, either $30, $90, $180 or $365 membership option. 23% of that will goes to a special pool, and this share to team leaders, team builders. And you're given a residual daily passive you receive directly into your wallet, Tron wallet here. It's based on a merit system here. The more you grow, the more you build, the more you receive here. Minimum condition, you must bring 3 people by using your invite link, and the 3 people also bring their 3 minimum by using their invite link. It's not only 23%. 23% of the membership option plus all the unclaimed money, all the excess money, which goes to smart contract, and the smart contract will give you on a daily basis. So the more we grow, the more you receive. We build together and transform together in the family of blockfunding.net. As a summary, remember, number 1 is based on your personal effort, 25% unlimited levels. Number 2 is a teamwork, 3x10 matrix, 50% matrix donation. Number 3 is based on the global pool, 23% of the membership, plus all the unclaimed money, all the excess money, go to a smart contract and given away to only for qualified person. Who are the qualified people? Minimum 3 directs by using your invite link, and the 3 bring their 3 minimum condition. Like what I told you is merit system. The more you bring, the more sharing you gain from this. So it's classified one world, one community reward sharing is what we call reward donation. So on the matrix donation, what's the condition? No condition. The only thing, your position must be active, that's all. 3x10 force matrix system. So if you really see that, the 3x10 is a lucrative matrix plan. It become a real wealth creation platform for you. All the positions are here, a permanent position. So once you build the structure one time correctly, based on $30 membership itself, you can receive monthly $170,000 plus every month. So what is the rush for you? Select the right 3 people of the same mindset like you. Build together. Remember, whatever position in the 3x10 is a permanent position. Don't spoil the position. So elect the right people, select the right people, and bring them on the building structure of 3x10. It's very easy to join. To be part of the community in the blockfunding.net, what you need, Tron wallet, either Tron Link or Token Pocket. So example, step number 1, to activate this, download Tron Link wallet from Play Store, App Store, or for desktop, laptop, computer from the browser extension tronlink.org. Step number 2, you need to fund TRX directly into your personal Tron wallet. Step number 3, it is a movement by invitation. Someone must invite you in the family of blockfunding.net. So look for the upline or introduces block funding referral link, copy the link, go to your Tron personal wallet, look for the word discover or DApp or browser, paste there, enter. It will link to the blockfunding.net page. Once you are in the blockfunding.net page, enter the TRX amount based on your capacity, either 30, 90, 180 or $365, and click deposit. So now you can select your membership option and you enter welcome. You are part of the team community in blockfunding.net. So two things that you must understand here. Learn how to deposit your TRX into the wallet. Number two, select the membership option. That's all you should do that. So blockfunding.net is a great platform as a fundraising project. Anyone can use this platform, especially people from this corporation, foundation, association. The reason why, they go ready-made community with them. There's no ranking here. We all are equal. So we can use this platform as a win-win synergy to receive a huge fund on the crypto-based, Tron-based movement. 3 questions to ask to yourself before you say yes and join the movement. Question number 1, do you need more money for any reason right now? Second question, do you have 3 or more individual people or people from organization, corporation, foundation, or business people also need more money for any reason right now? The third question, very important. Do you have $1 a day to set up your own personal blockchain crowdfunding system to allow you to receive unlimited amount of money directly under your wallet? If you say yes, you're most welcome to be part of the team in blockfunding.net. So to activate blockfunding.net, you have 4 membership options. Either $30, $90, $180, or $365. It's up to you. As low as $30, you can start the movement of blockfunding.net for you. It is a zero capital platform. Why? Example, you activated the movement with $30. You brought 3 people by using your invite link. Also $30. You got back your membership option money. That's called zero capital platform. 100% safe. It is a decentralized movement, blockchain technology. All the money directly under your wallet. There's no worry. So therefore, it's 100% safe. It's easy. You no need name, no email, no username, no KYC. What you need, just a personal, private Tron wallet, that's all. It's fast, instantly global. And we are using the Tron blockchain. And it's called fast transaction movement. It's fun because all the money under your control. We activate and you share this video to your circle of friends or invite them to Zoom meeting. If they activate and you start to receive the money directly into your personal private digital wallet. So blockfunding.net is a great system to enrich everyone. Hi friends, you must understand the blockfunding.net movement. A little commitment, dedication, attitude with ownership, leadership mindset, believe blockfunding.net can be a life-changing system for you, for your family, and also for your community. So lock your position, like what I told you earlier, is a permanent position in the blockfunding.net. Thank you. This is the first part of the understanding of blockfunding.net. Welcome to part 2 of blockfunding.net. The part 2 is actually to create an impact momentum movement for you. And for your information, the part 2 of blockfunding.net is powered by our family block system. Remember, you join blockfunding.net by using US dollar All the donation you receive here is also by US dollar. Example, you activated $30 position here. Just based on the 50% matrix donation, a full structure, a potential earning capacity for you, $170,000 every month. It is a crypto platform. So while the price of the Tron is very low, give you a great opportunity for you to accumulate millions of Tron through this particular project. Remember, when we talk blockfunding.net, you should remember the understanding of block 1, block 2, block 3. So you must understand the mechanics behind block 1, block 2, block 3. If you understand this, believe it can be a life-changing system. You work together in a success system to give you a great opportunity for you to accumulate millions of Tron through this particular project. Hi friends, success very simple for everyone in blockfunding.net if you know how to do proper planning with the right action plan. Commit yourself with full commitment, dedication, attitude, with the ownership, leadership mindset. You commit for this particular project at least for 6 months to 1 year. You transform yourself to be a project manager for 9 direct, 81 indirect, total 90 people, that's all. If you understand the understanding of block family, work together with them, believe you can get a very impact, fast success rate in blockfunding.net. What do you mean by family accounts? Family accounts means here, you must have 4 accounts together with you. This is what you call your family block. U1, U2, U3, U4 is your account. So because you got 4 accounts, U2, U3, U4 at level 1 structure, so therefore you must commit 3 people under U2, another 3 under U3, another 3 under U4. So your commitment here to bring 9 real people like you with family accounts, that is what we call the end of block 1 project. Remember, at the block 1 project, you are the only team builder. The 9 people who came in under you haven't do any team building process for them. They just came in here to plug in their family accounts, that's all. So at this junction, all your 4 account, family account, can see money movement ready. Hi friends, try to understand this. Your block 1, you are the only team builder. The 9 people came in here, haven't do any team building process for you. You came in $30, they activate $30, you start to receive $220. Imagine what happened if all the 9 people activated $365. A great income for you. So, try to understand the block 1 project first. Block 1 project means what? You came in with 4 family account and you look for 9 direct people under you. This is what you call your commitment in the block 1 project. So what is block 2 project? Block 2 project means your 9 people take the responsibility as their block 1. When the 9 people do their block 1, is automatically become your block 2 project. Your 9 direct, what they did, they came in, they locked their family account, and they build 9 position for their family account. So 9 people trigger the same task like what you have done in block 1. That's called block 2. So at block 2 project, The team builders are the 9 people, your 9 directs. 50% of the metrics fulfilled ready. And you can see the impact from 1,000 to 12,000 earning capacity for you. So now we go into the Block 3 project. The Block 3 project involving your 81 indirect people. When the 81 indirect people, same like you, same like 9 people, what they have done, same mechanics method. They commit their family account and they look for their 9 people. So if the 81 people become the team builder in the process of this, believe 7 level of the 3 by 10 level generation is completed ready for you. And you can see the earning capacity from 7,000 plus to 90,000 plus waiting for you. Hi friends, remember, throughout this particular project, your real commitment here to take a responsibility on mentoring as a project manager for 9 direct, 81 indirect, 90 people, that's all. When this 90 people, for the 90 people, you are the project manager. And you already reach the 7 level generation here. Imagine when the 9 people and 81 people also transform like you. They take the responsibility as project manager. When the 90 people hit that, all the 90 people do the same mechanics method here. Commit 4, look for 9. All your 4 family account completed the 10 generation. With $30 membership in blockfunding.net, you can see a leverage earning capacity of 170,000 plus every month. In this 3 by 10 force matrix system, 50% matrix donation. The only condition here, in order for to gain the maximum 3 by 10 force matrix system here, is your active membership position. That's all. And on our discussion here, the family block system, I'm only referring to $30, 30 days project. I never touched the 25% referral donation. I never touched the 23% of the reward donation, global pool, no. Only on this metric donation, a great income waiting for you. Hi friends, remember, you came into this particular project, family block system with 4 family accounts. All this is not number of people, just number of wallets, that's all. That's the reason we can see a great impact achievement by using the family block system. With only 90 people in your team, the 90 people take the responsibility like you. Imagine your family block account, you got 4 accounts. Each of these accounts give you a leverage 170,000 plus, nearly $700,000 monthly income, passive income, waiting for you on your commitment, on your understanding of this family block system. Hi friends, I'm just focusing on this matrix donation only, based on $30 membership, that's all. So, if you want to be part of the team, you're most welcome, because blockfunding.net is a great system to enrich not only you, your family, and also your community. A movement triggered by the people, for the people. We all work together, build together, and transform together. If you wish to be part of the team in the community of blockfunding.net, contact the person who shared this video to you to get more information. Hi, friends. Activate your family block. Create your future by using blockfunding.net. Thank you. See you. God bless you. Bye-bye.